Okay, so new PlannerKate order, and the first thing you're gonna notice is this gorgeous box. I'm so excited to get one of these. They are her new custom boxes in the, typical PlannerKate color scheme. So you have that kind of, I call it PlannerKate blue, but it's probably not really PlannerKate blue, with her navy logo and her web address. And I ordered a ton of stuff, and this video will include a giveaway, so keep watching. I can't wait to dive in and show you what I ordered for the month of October, my very favorite month of the year. Okay, so let's dive in. When you open the box, you're gonna see everything is packaged in a nice tissue paper, and everything is bubble wrapped. I do have washi in here, as well as stickers and another album, so everything came nice and secure. So everything is nice and securely packaged in here, and I'll take out my packing slip so I don't show you my mailing address, and then I'll show you all the goodies. Okay, so I have everything unwrapped, and I want to start with this kit because it is my favorite kit being offered for October, and I have a big giveaway for you guys. So I want to show you the kit, and I did something new this time I have never done before. I ordered every single sheet that Kate makes for the kits, so for the weekly kit, because I wanted to show you guys the weekly kits and your options, and then she has quite a few add-ons, and plus, I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to play with them myself. So now I have every add-on option in this kit, and so hopefully this will give you guys a good idea of what you can kind of mix and match, and maybe order just what you need for your specific planner, and just as an overview of what the weekly kit offerings are. So this is new. She does offer washi, so I ordered the washi. And then if you search for the kit like MK258, the main listings are the first things that I'm going to show you, and that's sheet A, B, C, and D, and then E, F, and G. So sheet A is always the full box stickers for the kit. Sheet B are the washi strips, and you get some thick washi, some medium washi, and some really skinny washi. Sheet C is the sampler page, which I always get this one. This is really good just to have just this sheet. I feel like I could get a whole week's worth of planning out with just this and maybe a couple of other sheets. And then these are my favorite, so I usually do always order these as well. Sheet D are the full box ombre. So these are all on the same listing on Etsy, and there's a drop down menu, and you can pick sheets A, B, or C, or D to add to your cart. And you can also choose from that same drop down E version 2, F, and G, which are the checklist pages. So she does have the 2019-2020 still up, so that's sheet E on that drop down, and you get a couple of sidebar, and then the hourly checklists, and some other appointment labels and pattern labels, and some flags and some basic labels. And then there is version 2 of that, which is for the 2020-2021 hourly. So these checklists will line up with the newest Erin Condren hourly life planner. And then you get some of these stickers which are resized to specifically fit the new planners. If you are in a vertical planner, she offers that as a drop down, that's sheet F. And horizontal planners is for sheet G. So these checklists line up with the horizontal layout of the Erin Condren Life Planner. So that is the main listing for the weekly kits. And then there's a separate listing which has all the add-ons, which I wanted to take the time to show you the difference between some of those. So N1, so this is the first drop down for those add-ons. N1 is the strip header, and N2 are the individual headers. So you can see these are just a solid strip, and these are individual. So depending on which planner you use or which preference you have, You can choose one of those. Drop down O, option O is the thick washi. P is the thin washi. Q1 is the hourly bottom bar, so it's a solid, 2 solid strips. And then Q2 are separate boxes, and this is made for the vertical life planner. R is the sidebar, and this box here is a little bit bigger, and it's left that way so that if you're still in one of the old planners that has the hexagon up here, this sticker will cover the width of that hexagon. S is the pattern labels. T are the appointment labels. U are basic labels. V are the budget labels. W are the icons. X is the hexagon cover, so again that will cover, it will cover this hexagon, and you do get the hexagon, and then you can't see, but it's just a white hexagon in case you want to layer that, and you get a box and a white box. Y, sorry, I'm going out of order here. Y are the scallop labels, and then Z are the hourly cutouts, and the biggest thing to mention about this is that they are the cutouts, so this white square comes off. So all you have when you put that down is it's left as a cutout so you can see the hourly number in your planner, the actual hours, okay? So those are all of your add-on options. So a lot of people might do, you know, the full boxes and then just get the icons and some labels, or you can get all of them. Like, I think it's really nice that she offers a variety so you can just mix and match and get what you need for your planning needs. And then I did end up getting the daily duo stickers in that same kit pattern. And then I wanted to share this giveaway with you guys. Since this was my very favorite kit and I haven't done a giveaway for a while, I went ahead and ordered sheets A, B, C, and D, extras of those, and the strip headers and this dorky doodle Halloween sheet. And I'd love to give this entire kit and a set of washi away to a winner. So if you want to enter the giveaway, please comment below with your favorite PlannerKate item or sticker sheet. Mine's the ombre full boxes for sure. I'd love to hear what your favorites are, and I'll pick a winner on Monday. And if you want to keep watching, I'm going to show you what else I purchased for the month of October. But if you're just here to watch my favorite kit in the giveaway, you can stop watching here. I also ordered kit 257, and as always, I ordered sheets A, B, C, and D for that kit. And then I ordered my daily duo, my daily duo stickers, which I like to get the date covers, and then this sheet which has the checklists, and then the ones that go on the timed side, and then one of the box covers. And then I ordered a few of the add-ons. I usually don't order the thick or thin washi, but I've seen some people use that recently and I've really liked it. So I went ahead and snagged some of those for myself. So I ordered those add-ons. I also ordered kit 256, mini kit 256. I thought the pumpkins were really pretty for fall, and October's my favorite month, so couldn't pass those up. And here's a look at those full boxes. They're just so pretty. I can't wait to use this kit. And then the washi in the ombre boxes. And then I'll kind of spread out the add-ons that I chose for this kit. And then this is the kit that I chose for my monthly view. It's kit 254, so I picked up sheets 1 and 2 for the 7x9 planner. And then I did also get A, B, C, and D again. I'm super excited about that. Look at that. Pretty blues and purples and the spider. It's gonna be super cute for October. And I did get these. I'll spread them out for you again. These for the add-ons. And then I did pick up the Daily Duo stickers as well for this particular kit. And then here's a look at kit 255. So since this is a full kit, if you didn't like that other monthly option, you could order this kit for your month view. It's a really pretty floral color. I think this would be good to use that transition week from August to October if you're in a life planner, because it still has some of those yellow colors from August. And then I got these add-ons. And I am so happy I did pick up the thick washi, which I usually don't get because that is just stunning. And then that was the end of my kit purchases, and I went ahead and stocked up on some of stickers that I was out of. So I was out of these appointment labels in the coral color. It's one of my favorite PlannerKate colors. And then I've been color coding for all of my back to school, and I'm out of certain colors for the transparent stickers. So I did pick up 2 sheets of the squares and 2 sheets of the circles. I like to have one at home and one at work because I do use these for work quite a bit. And then I have been doing some on-the-go planning in my cloth and paper inserts. So I picked up some of the black and gray scale icons. I thought those would look really clean and classic in that layout. And then I did pick up the new Gen Plans font. These are the holidays. And this is in the black font, and this is in the colored font. And then I picked up Days of the Week in font choice E. And we went back to school, so we are checking temperatures every morning to self-certify that we and our children do not have temperatures, so I needed those. And sleep in and lunch. And then I think, oh, I have a few. The rest of these are font choice B, and they are kind of related to going back to school in the midst of a pandemic. So we have the early out, office, Sunday school. I know that's not COVID planning, professional development, a virtual day, a regular school day. You can mark when your virtual work is done, meeting with a teacher, remote learning day, virtual learning, and in-school learning. And then the last few sheets that I picked up were just new releases, the masks, and these little planner doodles. So I hope you enjoyed watching my haul. If you guys have questions about any of the sticker numbers or how the kits work, I'm really hoping that video where it shows all of those add-on options was helpful for you guys, and I'd love your feedback. And if there's anything else that you want to see from PlannerKate, please leave a comment below, and I'd be happy to share how I use her products. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.